Lately, I've been obsessed with tiny or mini things that can fit inside my small bags or even in my pocket. And as a content creator, I need to have a source of energy for my gadgets. And luckily, I found a mini power bank from Rapu. It has 10,000 mAh and you can charge 3 devices at the same time. It has a Type-C input and output, so you can use this to charge your power bank and to charge another device. Also, it has a lightning cord, so you can charge your iPhone. And then it has a Type-C cord, so you can charge your Android phones or even your latest iPhone model. This power bank, guys, ang tagal niyang malobat. Even my cousin's friend can attest to this kasi meron din siyang ganito. Another thing that I really like about this is you can effortlessly hold it while using it to charge your phone. At ako mismo, hindi ako nahirapan hawakan yung phone ng pinsan ko habang naka-charge kung pinipicturan ko sila. As per size reference, guys, nakita nyo naman na ang liit niya ay compare sa palad ko at sa phone namin dalawa ng pinsan ko. At sa liit niya, kaya mo lang talaga siyang isuksok kahit sa bulsa mo. And to think na yung liit nito, kayang mag-charge ng 3 devices at the same time at sobrang tagal malobat. Ano pang hinihintay nyo, guys? I-check out nyo na to.